Hey, what's up guys, it's me Trav and I'm back today with a new video, and today I have some exciting products to unbox for you guys. So let's just jump right into it and get these products unboxed. Okay, so what's in this box? Let's see. So we're gonna go right ahead and open the side, and it swings open just like this. Wow, it's an iPhone. Hold up. So it's my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I waited for a long time to get this baby, so we're gonna actually see what's inside the box. So we're gonna unbox this and see what's comes in the box. I've been reading a lot of specs about this, what comes in the box, but I needed to get one for myself because I love to try out the product, see what's inside the box, and try it out for myself because, you know, I just don't take what other people say because, you know, it's different when you try it yourself against what people say. So let's just get this baby unboxed and see what's inside the box. So anyways, before we unbox this, I got the blue one because blue is my favorite color, baby. Blue is my favorite color. So basically, we're gonna just tear this plastic off the back and it slides around. Wow. So what I gotta say is that Apple did their thing on the box. The box is more slimmer instead of the big bulky boxes where it came with a charging cord and the power brick to charge the cord. But now, being that the box is more slimmer, it only comes with the USB-C to Lightning and no charging brick. So that means you will have to supply your own charging brick. They recommend 20 watts or up or higher, so that your phone will charge faster, or you can even get the MagSafe that connects to the back of your iPhone and just sits right there and just charges like wirelessly. You could just sit it on the table. But what I went ahead and did, I went ahead and got my own charging brick. So I went ahead and got my own charging brick, which is an Anchor. The plug folds and unfolds, plugs right into your outlet. If you want to take it on the go, it folds up, put in your pocketbook or your book bag or your pocket, and you could just go. It comes with a USB-C port, just like the iPhone port, and also comes with a USB. So basically, you can either get the standard iPhone charger, which comes with a USB to Lightning, or you could have the USB-C to Lightning, just like it comes with the iPhone. So I went ahead and got that. Anchor is one of my best products that I like to use. I also have the Anchor charger, where I could just take it on the go just in case my GoPro dies or it's low on battery. I could just pop in that USB charger and just pop in the other part, and it'll just charge my product. So these are good. This is a good brand. I got this off of Walmart. So it'll charge your phone or your products in no time. So let's just get this baby unboxed. Put this to the side. So wow, look at that baby right there. Oh, shiny, my favorite color, blue. It comes with 3 megapixel cameras on the back, flashlight, and some other exciting stuff. So we take this baby out just like this, take it by the end like that to just lift it. So we're gonna just flip it over, and look at this. On the front, Apple protected the front screen just in case, you know, during, you know, delivery, if they decide to, you know, drop it or toss it, or, you know, it won't break in the progress. So Apple protected the front screen with this paper that you could eventually pull off. On the back of it, you might not see it. You might see, you know, a couple of videos where it has the MagSafe on the back. You can actually get the case for the MagSafe that will actually charge through the case and charge your phone wirelessly and charge it real fast too. Another thing, we're gonna just put this like that to the side. Sit that baby right there, don't go nowhere. Okay, we're gonna talk a little bit more about the phone, but what else is in the box? So just like I was saying before, it's the Lightning to USB-C, and that's where this charger, the Anchor charger, comes in place, where you can just plug that in right there, and then basically plug the lightning into the bottom of the iPhone, and which is down here. You still have the standard speakers and the microphone down at the bottom, and also you have an additional mic at the top. But what I like about this phone, reason why I liked it too, is because it reminded me about the iPhone 5. This one is a little bit heavier, plus it's slippery. iPhone's always been slippery, I've been told. You know, that's why you should always get a case, a protective case, and also a screen protector to protect the front of the screen from breaking, just in case, you know, we got some clumsy people out there and make a mistake and drop your phone, or, you know, maybe somebody bumps you and you drop your phone won't take that much damage. But a lot of people don't believe in having protective cases or screen protectors because of the fact they believe, hey, I'm careful with a phone, I'm not going to drop it. But sometimes when we don't do that, then sometimes we do get careless, and sometimes we do have accidents where we drop it. So the best bet is just to get a screen protector and a case, so that just in case you drop it, it won't do any damage and you won't be upset. So this is the cord that comes in the box. It's a lightning, like I said, to USB-C, and then you have some instructions. Also, you have a sticker that you can like stick on your wall. Apple gave you that. Little instructions and stuff like that on that side. So we're gonna just put that right there. And then you have the pen key, where when you're trying to swap out SIMs, you can just use this little key to stick it on the side in which it'll pop out a tray. So we're sticking in that little hole right there, if you can actually see, and then you just push, and then there's like a little tray that pops out. A little tray that pops out. So, and then the SIM card will sit right there, and then you just pop it right back in. Don't be so rough with it, but you just pop it right back in, and then you're supposed to, you know, get it activated with your carrier, whether it's Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, or Verizon. So basically, this phone is unlocked. So I got a 256 gig. Reason why, because I like to take a lot of video, and I heard that it got a 4K camera that you could record in 4K. I know you're gonna say, Trav, what the hell? You got a Galaxy Note 10 that takes 4K video. I understand that, but I wanted to go back to Apple, so you can't blame me for going back to Apple. But anyways, I like the pictures better, a little bit better on the Apple iPhone rather than my actual phone. But both phones, as I talk and speak, both phones actually does a lot of stuff for me. So this phone right here will be my Galaxy right here. As you can tell, I'm recording from my camera on this phone, and this phone I'm unboxing, so I can actually see. So it has their benefits, both of them. But iPhone's always been one of my #1 phones that I wanted to get. So on the front of the paper, they'll show you a description on what the buttons are. So on this side right here, on this side, you got the up button, which is like right here. You got the down button, which will decrease the volume if it's too loud. And then you have this that you just click back and forth to turn off the ring or turn the ring back on. Also, you have the power button, which is a little bit more slimmer. It's still on the same side. Apple still kept it the same as just press it and it'll power on. Another reason why I got the 256 gig, because Apple does not let you expand your memory, just like my Galaxy Note 10 will let me expand my memory, so I could just get an SD card and pop it in along with the SIM card, but Apple doesn't let you do that. So it's either a 128, 256, or a 512. So that's what's in the box of the iPhone 12. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in for more from me, myself, Trav. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and You know, I hope you love how I unbox my Apple Watch, my newest Apple Watch. It's all blue. I love it. It's my favorite color. And then my newest member to my family, also my Apple 12 Pro Max. So basically, you know what to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Alrighty, deuces.